Making sure you have the right amount of insulation in your attic is some of the best money that you can spend to drive those energy bills down. But one of the areas of the attic that is so often neglected is this space right here. Whether you have attic stairs like we have here or just a little scuttle hole, this is an area that can lose a lot of energy because you only have about a 1/4-inch piece of plywood that's separating the hot attic from the nice conditioned space you have downstairs. So it only makes a little sense to try to insulate this a little bit. Pretty easy. This is an attic tent. There's a lot of different kinds of attic tents that are available. This one's only about $40. You can see it's insulated, has a little foil on the outside, and basically, like the name implies, it just tents itself over the space, creating a little air barrier there to protect you from the elements of the attic. Now, there's some more expensive versions that have a zipper that allow you access in and out of the attic. And also, you can build a very inexpensive one by using a piece of 3/4-inch foam board. You can cut it out to create a little box, use a foil tape to close up the corners and to create a little hinge. Works perfectly, and that'll only cost you about $25.